You are scrolling through your feed late at night when a sleek video catches your eye. It shows a person reading in total darkness with a glowing transparent panel resting right on their book. The marketing calls it a revolutionary breakthrough for your eyes. It promises to save your sleep and transform your reading habits. But there is a nagging feeling in the back of your mind. You have seen this exact gadget before. It was under a different name last week. Maybe it was called something else a month ago. This is the world of the LumiLore Night Reading Screen. It is a classic case of heavy rebranding. These devices are everywhere right now. They fall into a category of products that are basically carbon copies of each other. They use the same high-pressure sales tactics. You see timers counting down. You see claims of limited stock. There are huge discounts that never seem to end. On the surface, the idea is actually pretty solid. It is a thin acrylic plate with LED lights embedded in the frame. The light reflects through the plastic to illuminate your page. It is meant to be more focused than a lamp. It aims to keep the rest of the room dark. If you are sharing a bed, that sounds like a dream. But let us get real about what you are actually buying here. This is not a scientific breakthrough. It is a simple LED light source. Many sites claim it eliminates eye strain or boosts melatonin. That is mostly just fancy talk. A warm light is a warm light. Whether it comes from a screen or a clip-on lamp, the effect on your biology is largely the same. The real issue is the value. These stores often buy these items in bulk for very little money. Then they slap a premium brand name on the box. They mark the price up significantly. When you get it in the mail, the experience might not match the glossy ad. The build quality can feel a bit cheap. It is often made of lightweight plastic that feels fragile in your hands. If you drop it on the floor, it might not survive the fall. The edges can be sharp or rough. Then there is the light itself. It is not always perfectly even. You might see bright spots near the LEDs and dimmer areas in the center of the page. Some users find that the plastic scratches easily. A single scratch can catch the light and create a distracting glare. You also have to think about the light leakage. The ads show a perfect bubble of light. In reality, light still spills out from the sides. If your partner is a light sleeper, they are still going to notice that glow. It is definitely more discreet than a ceiling light, but it is not invisible. The battery life is another thing to watch. These are small units. They do not hold a massive charge. If you like to read for hours, you will be hunting for a charger or fresh batteries pretty often. Shipping can be another headache. Many of these companies ship from overseas. That means your order could take weeks to arrive. If you want to return it, the process might be a total nightmare. Often the return shipping costs more than the item itself. So is it a scam? Not exactly. You will likely receive a functioning light. It will allow you to read in the dark. It is a legitimate tool for casual readers, but you are likely paying a premium for the marketing. If you go into it expecting a high-end electronic device, you will be disappointed. It is a basic plastic light panel. It does the job, but it is not a miracle. If you want one, look around first. You can probably find the exact same thing for a fraction of the price without the fancy branding. Keep your expectations grounded and you will be much happier with the result.